everybody. So sakto. Ay! It's currently 6:45 a.m. It's kind of late because my class will start at 7:30 and nagising ako ng 6:20. To get ready, bakit ba ako nagbabagal pa ngayon? To do my very quick makeup. I think okay lang naman na medyo malate kami ng konti kasi umuulan sa labas. Hindi pa namin nili if we're gonna take the Grab or mag-jeep kami kasi sabay kami laging pumapasok ng school. Monday and Wednesday, I only have 3 classes, so hanggang 3:30 lang ako. I just yellow brush out. Bago na lang itong release. This has been my go-to hairstyle recently. I know it kind of looks like I'm an egg, pero I kind of like it. Perfume, I'm gonna use Sol de Janeiro, number 68, yung Che Rosa. Let me fix my bed real quick and then let's bounce. Hello! Arrived in school na guys and thank God di pa nag-start yung class. Kakarating pa lang ng prof because I left kinda late na. Yeah, it's 7:52 but our class was supposed to start at 7:30 but he always start naman at 8 p.m. It's Pharmalek. Day is still downstairs. If you don't know Day is our other friend. The best. Bought spam sandwich from 7-Eleven because I was kind of hungry. Kaso I prefer it to be more toasted. Sabi ko kay ate sa 7-Eleven, i-toast niya pero hindi niya masyadong tinost. Why is she grabbing my water without my consent? Okay. Today is gonna be a chill day. Hopefully. That's all. I'm gonna update you guys later. Guys, so it's our lunchtime na and medyo gloomy and kakatapos lang mag-rain. Vacant of 2 hours, so we're gonna go to the cafe that we always go to. Take the trek. Ay! Madulas! Nakita sa camera yun. Muntik ako madulas sa loob ng trek. Ay! Ay pa ba natin? Kuya, we can do this. Amang, ano yan? Ganun.
Nakaya kasi siya.
Dapat. Mama. Iyo, baho ikaw. Hi guys, so update. Got home actually mga 1 hour ago. It's currently 4:07 and I'm about to leave the condo on this top and then pants because recently kasi guys, I've been condo hunting. Like nagsiscroll na talaga ako. Kanina I was scrolling through some units and then I found a very very nice unit, very spacious. Syempre I really need to view it personally. Tapos siya sa mall, so baka kumain na rin ako near the area. And then pag uwi ko here, I'm gonna do a bunch of schoolwork, so I'm still gonna vlog that. Let's go! Hindi ko kakauwi lang. OA. Pero go na ako guys after ko makauwi kanina kasi medyo naambunan din ako since nakita nyo after ko mag-condo viewing, nagpunta ako sa tapat na mall. Na ako nag-dinner and then nag-ikot-ikot lang ako kasi ang tagal ko na rin hindi nakakapag-mall. The viewing kanina was really good. I really like the unit pero I'm still not sure if I'm going to get it because ayun nga, I still have my contract here. I still don't know what will be my decision. I really want to check out other units as well to have an option. Let's update you guys for sure kung ano yung magiging decision ko. A lot of schoolworks now to do kasi for the past few weeks, sobrang chill ko. As in, wala akong ginagawa masyado. Pero most of our activity sheets kasi sa school namin ginagawa. Like, dun pinapagawa ng mga prof namin. And I'm also planning to make a reviewer for my pharma lab kasi may mga quizzes kami this week and bawal na mag-open notes. And it's pure computation. So, wish me luck, guys. I really hope I pass. So, it is the next day na hindi na ako nakapag-vlog today sa school kasi it's pretty much like a 2 lab class and I can't really vlog during my class kasi medyo strict yung profs namin doon. After kong makauwi here from school, nag-gym ako. I did a leg day. Kaya naka-sports bra pa ako kasi hindi pa ako naliligo. Such a hard leg day. I don't know, leg day talaga is sobrang nakakapagod for me. Ano ko ng palengke kasi wala na akong stock ng food dyan. So, namalengke ako for sinigang tonight kasi I was craving sinigang since it's like a gloomy weather recently. And guys, let me just tell you, if hindi ka pa namamalengke or you opt to go to like supermarkets, sobrang mura ng gulay ngayon, sobrang mura ng mga stuff sa palengke, and I encourage you to go to the palengke instead. Watching Euphoria, I'm gonna finish 2 episodes, episodes 7 and 8. It's the end of the season pero medyo na-spoil na ako sa Instagram, but yeah, let's have our dinner together. Guys, update. It is now nighttime. It's 11:46. Actually, medyo like really late talaga at night. Now I need to study for my quiz tomorrow for pharma lab. And if you guys know, if you have pharma or if you're a pharmacy student, alam niyo na puro computation siya, and it's kind of not my forte. I mean, I get it naman, pero I have to like memorize all the terms, the conversions, kasi tomorrow we are not allowed to open our notes anymore. So I look funny with my glasses. Okay. My laptop is also open because I'm just gonna try to be chill for this study because I'm really just gonna practice like questions, answering the questions. I'm basically making like a cheat code, not a cheat code na kodigo ho while answering a quiz, but like everything that I need to review, it's just one paper para hindi na ako mahirapan mag-flip through sa pages. Conversions, all the terms to remember. Watch me study. I think it's been a while since I studied on my vlogs. I have a quiz tomorrow or an exam or just like you're gonna do your assignments. Sabay tayong dalawa. So yeah, let's go! Finished editing a TikTok video kasi usually I really post consistently on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Keep you guys updated since I'm not really that super active here on YouTube, but di pa ako nagdi-dinner. It's currently 8:22. It's kind of late. And I have some shrimp. Dinedefrost ko yung shrimp ko and I'm really really hungry, you guys. So that, mabilis lang naman yun. Garlic butter shrimp. Post ko muna tong TikTok and cross-posting to IG Reel. If you're still not following me on Instagram and on TikTok, my username is here. It's parang the same lang naman. And then, I don't know later if magkita kami nila Jem and Cheska. We're planning to go to a cafe, but it's kind of late. But I really miss them, and wow, I can't believe I just said that.
What defines your personal signature?
Just finished eating and now paalis na ako kasi tuloy kami mag-cafe nila Jem. 10:07. It's pretty late pero kasi sobrang late din yung tapos ng training ni Jem. So, we have to adjust for her but it's okay kasi we really I think sobrang tagal na ng last kita naming tatlo. So, that's okay. Wala naman akong pasok tomorrow but I'm going to retouch my makeup a bit. I mean, okay pa naman siya. Pero my concealer is medyo wala na. So, late naman ako nasa school kanina. That's why wala na talaga yung makeup ko. We're gonna see each other sa Espanya kasi sa may FEU yung training ni Jem. So, kakatapos lang niya and we're gonna go there. Cafe name is Springboard Cafe kasi yun yung 24 hours open there. So, buti na lang merong 24 hours. Using these Nutella brushes. Ang ganda niya, guys. I think it's the Kitsune brushes. Tomorrow, I don't have class, but I don't know my agenda. Baka mag-mall na lang ako kasi I need to restock some of my toiletries. Saturday naman pupunta yung mom ko dito kasi magko-condo hunting kami. Sasamahan niya ako mag-condo hunt kasi guys, I feel like I'm still too young to do this all alone. My mom or without anyone. Kasi first time ko mag-condo hunt last time, nag-view ako ng unit na mag-isa lang ako. And I felt so scared. I don't know, parang wala akong kasama to like check the unit and like to see if okay ba siya for me kasi ako wala pa ako masyadong like experience. I mean, yeah, I've been living in this condo for almost a year pero still yun, sasamahan niya ako on Saturday. We're gonna view the unit again na venue ko to know her opinions and then we're gonna view another one that's medyo mas malapit dito. So, hopefully I get to see my condo pero hahanap ako ng pwede na ma-view para hindi masayang yung araw. Thinking if I should wear contacts pero okay, sure. Naman ako nag-contacts kanina. I'm using is from EO. I usually use spot contact lenses. Go out without my contacts or my glasses. That's why. I'm done getting ready, guys. This is the look. Very quick lang. I just put on some contacts kaya medyo mukha akong nakaglam but it's currently 10:20. I'm just waiting for my Move It driver. 2 minutes away so I should probably go down. Yung perfume. Parang ang tapang for Lancome. Diptyque na lang. I'm gonna go na, guys. I'm gonna update you guys when I'm there. Hello. I'm with her.
Guys. Anyway, can you guys please help me? I don't know what to eat there. I haven't eaten. Yaki chicken bites. Ugh. Garlic parmesan chicken. Pag magkakasama kami, never ka mag-expect like gusto mo lang ng wholesome. Hindi na siya feasible sa circle namin at this point. Every time we go out, every time mag-ayaan kami lumabas, meron talaga nasa borderline kami lagi na magsi-CH kami. Ngayon, order na nga ako para iluto na nila.
Have my drink now. It's sea salt matcha. I've tried your matcha before. It's okay. Like a ceremonial matcha, it tastes like the ones that's like instant.
I'm so hyped. We haven't seen each other like for so
We just saw each other like last week.
Kailan?
Us, post ceremony. What the heck? Ba't kayo sabi ko sa vlog, I haven't seen them in like ages. I miss them. Tapos sabi ko, no, kakakita lang namin ng gym last week.
Sobrang short time nun.
Yeah, saglit lang naman yun. Tagal Jessica.
Feeling ko talaga nung sinabi niya yung eto niya, doon lang siya nag-book eh.
Talaga, hindi naman, hindi naman mawibindang yun. Okay guys, if Jessica is here now, what did you order? Honey glazed chicken.
Yeah. Whatever.
Hi, full glam right now because I'm about to leave for an event that I'm actually late. Late na ako kasi I was supposed to leave at 6:30. It's currently 7 p.m. But the event will end at 11 p.m. pa naman. But I'm so stressed kasi it's like medyo malayo pa from here. It's freaking 40 minutes away from my place. I'm gonna be with Kristen. She's still getting ready just like me. And she's also 40 minutes away. The event is for House of Spot for Lurge's contact lens brand and also her birthday event. So I'm wearing a very cute set. I'm so excited to show you guys. And earlier, I was condo hunting again and I visited a condo and I'm officially moving out! I found a new condo that's really near to my school. It's 1-bedroom unit. It's much bigger than this condo that I have right now. And I really like the amenities. I like the vibe. The condo that I was looking at nung sa vlog na din to, it was really nice, but it's kind of far from my school and just the vibe around the area. I mean, it's near na ball and stuff, pero I just felt like I'm gonna be a bit sad there. So I really love the place that I visited earlier, so I'm really excited for that. Stay tuned again for another move out vlog and move in vlog. So, yay! I'm gonna fix my hair na guys. Goodbye na muna.